exactly you're quoting, because just a few days ago, I watched an interview that was done by Nandala Mafabi, and his view is totally different. His view is totally different. He thinks we have to go. For him, he actually insists that as the Najjanankumbi leadership, they have no problem with Museveni. And we have also landed on some of their WhatsApp exchanges. I can quote one of the members who is the other side, Duante Jamal, who is now representing Eastern Uganda as the vice chairman, saying, people, for purposes of the media, let us sugarcoat and pretend that we want negotiations with these people. And these screenshots we have shared with the public. So they are just playing on the minds of some of our supporters. They are playing on the minds of the public. Power Nandala from the word go. They have never been interested in dialogue. They have never been interested in negotiation. Because like we've said before, Dr. Kizza Besigye started the dialogue in 2020. But it's Nandala who folded his shirts and he wanted to beat Dr. Besigye up. It is Nandala who said, no, for me I don't need Dr. Kizza Besigye, so please let them stop posturing. So for me, I think where we have reached, there is no point of return. Dialoguing with Nandala and power means dialoguing with Museveni, for crying out loud. It means negotiating with Museveni. So we are not going to negotiate. We are not going to dialogue with Museveni's proxies. Right now, our minds are focused on the bigger struggle. Right now, our minds are focused on how to bring together other forces of change and we together liberate our country. We are not going to give our time and our attention and our resources to Museveni proxies that are currently sitting at Najjanankumbi.